Farmax, there are two modelling modes you can use, short-term and long-term mode. Short-term mode is used to model what is happening on farm in the current season. Short-term files can run for a maximum of 2 years so that you can view actual happenings and targets for the farm. This is the best mode to use to make tactical decisions over the year, hence why monitoring files are always in short-term mode. Long-term mode is used to model your long-term goals for the farm. It lets you plan how you want your farm to look once all changes and developments have occurred. In Farmax, long-term mode is created for a 1-year file. This mode is used to make strategic decisions where impacts occur over more than a year. A long-term file is a status quo or balanced file. A balanced file means same stock numbers, same weights for mixed stage mobs, and same pasture covers at the start and end of the year. This means you can run this system forever. Everything is balanced and the farm is a sustainable system. If you want to run a scenario looking at strategic changes, we usually base it off a short-term file, often the monitoring. When you've duplicated this file, to convert it to long-term, select on the Tools bar, drop the second year if you need to, head back to Tools and then select Convert to Long-Term. Farmax will automatically balance opening and closing pasture covers. The next step is to set up aging and balance stock numbers. In long-term mode, stock are aged between mobs within an enterprise. This aging process allows younger mobs to carry their base characteristics, their age, weight, numbers and mating history, into the next age group. For example, if we select our hoggets, then the properties, we can select to age them from our ewe lambs. And you can see in this section here, the closing numbers for those lambs have become the opening numbers for the hoggets. Breeding replacements should also be transferred into the mixed age ewe mob during the season to ensure a balanced stock reconciliation. If we click on the numbers screen, we can see here we have a transfer out into the ewes mob. Then click on the ewes. We can see here a yellow warning telling us that this mob isn't balanced. To do this, we will need to adjust the numbers to ensure they are. This might mean adjusting deaths, sales, or transfers in or the purchases. What we will do is delete out these sales and adjust this one. So now the yellow warning has disappeared and our numbers are balanced. Your file is now balanced and you can see if your farm is sustainable in the long term and model strategic system changes